close to midnight, and something evil's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes a sound before you make it. You start to freeze as horror looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is thriller, thriller night, and no one's gonna save you from the beast about to strike. You know it's thriller, thriller night. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller tonight. You hear the door slam and realize there's nowhere left to run. You feel the cold hand and wonder if you ever see the sun. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination. But all the while, you hear the creature creeping up behind. You're out of time, 'cause this is thriller, thriller night. There ain't no second chance against the thing with 40 eyes. You know it's thriller, thriller night. You're fighting for your life inside of killer thriller tonight. Night creatures call and the dead starts to walk in their masquerade. There's no escaping the jaws of the alien this time. This is the end of your life. They're out to get you. There's demons closing in on every side. They will possess you unless you change that number on your dial. Now is the time for you and I to cuddle close together all through the night. I'll save you from the terror on your screen. I'll make you see that this is thriller, thriller night, 'cause I can thrill you more than any ghost would dare to try. Girl, it's thriller, thriller night. So let me hold you tight and share a killer dealer tonight. Some boys kiss me, some boys hug me. I think they're okay if they don't give me proper credit. I just walk away. They can beg and they can plead, but they can't see the light. 'Cause the boy with the cold hard cash is always Mr. Right. 'Cause we are living